today is about apartments in Birmingham, Alabama. I have a hot date with my friend and we're gonna go apartment hunting, so come along. We are currently at Mountainside Apartments.
I was about to share some personal.
Downtown Birmingham. We figured out why they call them Mountainside Apartments.
Boy, can they see this? Look at this.
I'm about to show you how steep this is. The guy in front of us is the tour guide, so we have to follow him. We have to go all the way up this hill. Like, Bert brought up a good point. What if it's like raining or icy? Because you know
I'm not doing
Birmingham.
This. Forget this, honey. Yeah, I'm sorry. I don't do heights. Like, y'all, we are like standing straight up.
It's okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Just turn. So is this the one bedroom?
Yes.
Interesting. Is this fireplace gas or wood?
Electric. Not electric. Wood burning.
Wood burning?
Yeah, it's a real
That's fun, chopping wood.
Now, only the ones on the top floor have a fireplace, though.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's a lot of cabinet space, but not a lot of preparation space. What you think, Coach?
They got a lot of closets. They got 3 closets.
3 closets?
You know, the other one had about half a closet.
Well, yeah. I mean, it kind of makes up for like not having a walk-in closet.
Yeah, I want to walk in.
But I mean, that's plenty of storage, though.
Which one is this?
The way.
You should brought you a clipboard face spread.
I should have. This is like a pantry?
Yeah.
Okay.
No. Okay with
Use
this.
it as a pantry, something for you to have.
And then I have plenty of storage for, you know, hair products. Okay, guys, here's the plus. Look at this view.
Look at it's going down this
Look
hill.
at this
Ooh,
view, the whole
right
city. But here's the steepness.
We are on a roller coaster right now.
It's like, oh, is this the pool over here?
Yeah, it is.
Let's see.
That don't look nice.
Okay, but can we
Like
see
a
it?
motel pool.
This one is actually leased. But
Oh.
the one next door, they just moved out. We're about to get that one ready.
Okay.
And then it's 2 all the way at the bottom, but they How many more places you got on this spreadsheet?
Man.
We're on the second one, right?
Yeah, we have like 8 total.
Oh,
This refrigerator is kind of
we're not
small.
gonna make those today.
Okay. Yeah, feedback. What are your thoughts?
I kind of liked it. I didn't like the first room because it was really small. The second one, it was like big, but not too big, and it wasn't small.
Right. I liked how
wouldn't say it's
the
like-
layout was.
Yeah, I wouldn't say it's like my favorite or nothing, but it's nice and the price is decent.
Yeah, I'll show
And
y'all
it
the
includes
prices
a lot.
later.
Yeah.
Yeah, water is included. That's abnormal, honestly. So
Yeah. So like on a scale, what should I do? 1 to 5 or 1 to 10?
1 to 10.
1 to 10, I would probably give it a 7, maybe.
7. Okay.
But compared to the other one we've been to, I like this one better.
Yeah, definitely. The other one we've been to, I didn't even show y'all because it was that
awful.
bad.
My real downfalls with this is that it looks kind of old. It doesn't look bad, it just looks old.
Yeah.
And then these hills, like this mountain, it ain't for me.
Yeah, the plus is that it is a mountainside, so you can see the whole UAB downtown Birmingham area. The downfall is it's a mountainside, so you have to drive all the way up to get there.
Yeah.
Okay, next place. Where are we going? We are currently at Regents Walk. This is on Green Springs. This is a lot of space.
That's the hardwoods. Oh yeah, the one that's 811 that's available for immediate move-in or will be tomorrow. It has a carpet. Okay, so that's the price difference.
Oh wow, that's a great space. And then you can probably put some bar stools or something right here. Bar stools.
Okay, they're definitely like hot and heavy working back there.
Oh, okay.
It's a little leafy right now.
Yeah.
We'll come back up in May. We don't rent it out, but we do have it open during office hours. We're here from 10 to 5 on the weekends. But this is a fun room.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was like, I know that I'm not that short.
We just left, which one says Abbey at Regents?
Yeah.
And I like it.
It's
nice, spacious. They have new flooring. Great closet space, oh my gosh.
Oh yeah.
And it has washer and dryer connections.
But no washer and dryer. But you can rent a washer and dryer for 30 or 35 a month.
30 a month. And they'll move it in and move it out for you when you need to, included in that price.
And I honestly think that's with any apartment. I think that's just a service that they use. So yeah, but I like it.
It's right down the street from Publix, Walmart, Dollar Tree, the mall. Brookwood Mall is like down the street. So it's a nice little centered location.
Definitely. So, okay. So day 2 of apartment hunting with this annoying little cookie monster. We are going to Wildwood Crossings. This is on Lakeshore Drive, kinda. It's over by the Walmart and everything. It's about 10 minutes away from UAB.
Yeah, it's right. About 15. I'll say 10, 15.
Yeah. So that's where pretty much everybody stays. This is a very nice little lobby. I really like the kitchen. I wonder if you can rent it out. Internet. So internet's included, which is lovely. Cable, water, sewer,
trash,
and trash is included in.
You have to pay for Alabama Power and Alagasco.
This isn't your video.
Well, you know what? If you listen, you wouldn't have to ask.
Let me get the code out.
So when it comes to maintenance, is there like a 24-hour, I guess, responding
Yes,
time?
there is.
Okay, that's great.
Okay. Okay, yeah, so the bed will be,
Oh, so this is the studio with the Murphy bed. So the bed is actually inside of the wall. That is so, what do you call that, efficient? But I mean, I think that's great if like you want to have company. But I think if you want to have company, you can have like space. You even have space to have a couch or something out while the bed is out. Don't break it, please. Huh. What is this, full size? Yeah. Okay. You got space for a table and TV and everything. What's wrong?
This closet is huge.
That is a very big closet. Oh, it's even bigger. And it comes with the washer and dryer in here.
Wow.
Wow. Okay, washer and dryer comes with it. I'm liking. Are you liking? We're liking. Yeah, but I mean, it's yours only, so.
Yeah.
And what is this? I guess a pantry. Water heater. Knew that. Knew that. So we are now viewing the 1-bedroom, guys. This kitchen is pretty nice. A lot of space. Is this a pantry?
well, right in there will be the washer and dryer area where the washer and dryer connections.
Okay. It does not come with the washer and dryer, but there's connections for it. Dining. Let me see the bathroom. What were you trying to get me to look at?
Huh?
So did she call me? Is it big?
Yeah. It's really big.
Oh, I like this feature. Did you see the little, not bookshelf, but the little shelving feature?
Yeah.
Oh.
Wait, in here?
Uh-huh. Behind the door.
Oh.
Can't really see how big it is
What?
because it's dark.
Oh. There's a light in there. Oh, you mean
Not in here.
Oh. Wait.
Almost.
There's a light.
I'm wondering if that's just because it's a model unit or...
Does it come with like a ceiling light?
No, the way they are, is you have to get like lamps.
Okay. Was the studio like that? I didn't pay attention.
The studio, like, none of the rooms had the lights on.
Okay.
Okay, so you have to provide your own lamp.
Attention.